making my easy strawberry crunch recipe. To start off, I do use a food processor. You will need some golden Oreos. This is about 2 sleeves. And I also get the freeze-dried strawberry crisp from Walmart. If you do not have a food processor, you can also use like a rolling pin. I've also used like the end of a wooden spoon to kind of just crush everything up. But the food processor does make it a lot faster. This video is in real time, and you're going to see that I do not put it in the food processor for long because I do not like my crunch to be like dust. I kind of wanted to still have some crunch to it. So I do not process it down until it's dust. I have also seen people use like butter as a combinant of the cookie, but I do not add butter to my recipe. I leave the icing from the Oreos on, and I kind of let that be my bindant to all of my ingredients. You will see me kind of pick out the bigger pieces. That's just because I don't want the pieces to be too big. So I just kind of process them with my next batch of cookies. And yeah, you see it has some bigger pieces, it has some dustier pieces, but it's kind of a combination of the both. If you are in the market for a food processor, this one is about $16 at Walmart, or you can be thrifty like me and go on Facebook Marketplace. I found this one for $10 and it is barely used. It just wasn't in the box. So they're not really expensive, and they do kind of save you a little time, but you really don't need it if you're not trying to spend the money. Again, you are seeing me take the bigger pieces off the top just because I don't want it to be too dusty at the bottom where the blade is spinning. And then I'm just going to process those bigger pieces with my next set of cookies that I put in the processor. I then began to shake the processor to kind of get some of the bigger pieces to the bottom, just to kind of help me wiggle the cookies around without taking them out and putting them in. I'm not sure. Combing through my cookie crumbs to see if I have any overly large pieces that I'm just going to throw back into the processor, because I am coming down to doing my last of the batch didn't have the blade in their diamond. Crazy girl. So you're gonna see me dump the cookies out, put the blade in, and then put the cookies back in the processor to complete the cookies. I am now starting to add my freeze-dried strawberries into my food processor. If you've never smelled freeze-dried strawberries, they smell so good. I really do recommend this over the gelatin method. Some people don't like gelatin in their diet, so it's safe for your gelatin-free people, and I feel like it just has a more natural strawberry taste. With these, I am going to kind of shake this food processor because they are so light, and I'm trying not to make my strawberries too dusty. Once you feel like you have your strawberries at the right consistency that you're looking for in your strawberry crunch, you're going to dump it right on top of the cookies. You're going to see me take this fork and kind of poke some of the bigger pieces just to kind of break them up. But also I find that once you put them in the container and kind of shake them, they kind of break as well. So if you want it to be dusty, you can have it dusty. But if you want it to be kind of chunky, it's your choice. No exact measurements for any of these things. It kind of just depends on, I go by color, what I'm looking for. Once you get your top on your airtight container, you're going to shake it up, give it a good little toss, get everything mixed together, and then we're going to check the color. So once I look at the color in my pan, I feel as though I need more strawberry. So this time when I put my dry strawberries in the food processor, I am going to make these kind of dusty. Let them go a little bit longer in the food processor, and then we're just going to dump them on top. Look at the poof. Oh, it was a beautiful strawberry smell, y'all. going to add your top onto a container and give it a good shake. Once you are done and you feel like it is the consistency you are looking for, you can keep it in an airtight container in a dry place, and I've had it stay good for up to 3 weeks. Strawberry Crunch can be used as a topping or as a filling. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.